welcome to another video from Destination J to Z. We're going to show you the Dodge ride-along experience. Right here behind me, this is the Dodge Charger. That is the electric Scat Pack. Again, it is electric. This is not the 6-cylinder 6-pack. Hope you like this video. Don't forget that like and subscribe below. Hope to see you guys on the next one. And remember, as always, safe travels.
I'm going to 32, I'm going to go to 30, 31. In front of a pound sign. And a punt, I'm going to go to 1. Take it 2. 32 towards round 2. Hit 1. I'm going to go to 2 here. I'm going to go 1 up high right. I'm going to go to the 32 pound, 31, 32. And I'm going to hammer something high. And I'm going to go to the 32 pounds. Hit 2. I'm going to go to 2 here. 9.5. So 31. So 31 pounds. Lucas Lucky.